In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the Windows 11 error where your PC suddenly shows the message your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. This is one of those frustrating blue screen of death errors. And the solution I am about to demonstrate can work for many different Windows blue screen errors, especially when the problem is related to a corrupted or faulty driver. Of course, if your Windows installation has a very serious hardware or system level problem, this method may not be enough. But in many cases, it can get your computer working again. So as you can see on my screen right now, the error appears to be GPU driver related. Windows is showing a file or driver name that looks something like this. This gives us an important clue about what is actually causing the crash. The first thing we need to do is get into the Windows recovery environment, because in some cases Windows may not start normally. To do that, completely shut down your computer. If Windows is currently stuck on the blue screen, simply press and hold the power button until the computer turns off completely. Once the PC is fully powered off, we can move on to the next step. Now, press the power button to start your computer. As soon as you see the Windows logo or computer manufacturer's logo, immediately press and hold the power button again to force the computer to shut down. We need to repeat this process about 3 times. So turn the computer on, wait for the logo to appear, and then hold the power button to turn it off again. Do this a few times. After the third attempt, start your computer normally and wait. Windows should automatically detect that there is a problem and you will see automatic repair on the screen. Give it a moment to load. After that, you may see a message saying something like, "Your device has a problem and could not be repaired." Don't worry, we are not stuck here. Simply click or press enter, then you should see option called More Recovery Options. This will take you into the advanced recovery environment, where we can access the troubleshooting tools we need to fix the blue screen problem. Now click on Troubleshoot. This will take you to the next screen, where you will find several options for repairing and troubleshooting Windows. From here, we can access the recovery tools we need to work on the blue screen problem. Don't worry, you won't need to use any complicated commands for this method. Simply click on System Restore. This option can often resolve the problem by restoring Windows back to a previous working state. If a restore point has already been created on your computer, we can use it to roll back the system and hopefully fix the blue screen error. So let's take a look at how to proceed. Once the System Restore window opens, the first thing you want to do is click Next. You will then see a list of available restore points. Depending on your computer, you might have 1, 2 or even several restore points listed here. As you can see, I have a few restore points available on my system. I am going to select the first one, which is usually the most recent restore point. In many cases, the most recent restore point can be the one that fixes the problem, especially if the issue started recently. You can also select a restore point and click Scan for affected programs to check what programs, drivers, or system changes may be affected by the restore. Once you have selected the restore point you want to use, simply click Next. Once you have confirmed that this is the restore point you want to use, click Finish or Restore, depending on the option shown on your screen. You will then be asked to confirm the restore process. Go ahead and click Yes to continue. Windows will now begin restoring your system to the selected restore point. This may take a few minutes, so don't turn off your computer while the process is running. Once the process is completed, you will see a message confirming that the system restore has been completed successfully. After that, restart your computer and check whether the blue screen error has been resolved. As you can see, the process has completed successfully and the computer has now booted up normally without any issues. This means the blue screen problem has been resolved. Once your computer is working again, I recommend checking for any available Windows updates and installing them. Also make sure your drivers are up to date, especially if the original problem was driver related. Hopefully, after completing the updates, your computer will continue working perfectly without showing the blue screen error again. So I hope the video was useful. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.